Alright, welcome back, and in this video we're going to be making onigiri. Now this is basically rice balls, and it is eaten a lot here in Japan. And yeah, the black part is seaweeds and the white part is rice. So yeah, let's begin. Open a new file and go to general and move your cube up by 1. Go into edit mode, make sure everything is selected, scale it on the Y, scale it down like this, select the top face, scale it on the X, move it down, and then this should be the base shape of our onigiri. So now select the bottom face and then scale it on the Y a little bit, select the top face, scale it on the Y a little bit, then we're gonna loop cut like this, and then scale it on the XX a little bit, and then loop cut right here, scale it on the X a little bit. So now what you can do is add a subdivision surface modifier, and now we're gonna do a little bit of loop cutting to make sure everything looks good. You can also select this face and move it up, scale it on the select this too as well, select these, scale it on the Y. This looks good enough. Maybe select this loop, scale it on the X a little bit, and then increase the viewport level here, and then shade smooth. So now these two are not good right here. Okay, so now you can select these faces and go to material preview, and now select this, add a new one, new, and then now assign it, then make it black. So now go to shading, and now we're gonna make the rice texture. So make sure it's slot 1, and there we go. So first let's add a Voronoi texture right here, and then add a color ramp. So now put this in between, plug the color into the base color, and plug the distance into the factor. Now as we can see, the black part, we actually want it to be white. So we're adding this color ramp to switch those roles like this, and then there we go. So now lower the, bring the white closer to the black a little bit, and then increase the scale to 20 like this. This looks pretty good. Now change the slot from slot 1 to slot 2, and then now you can add a Musgrave texture, and then take the height, plug it into the roughness, increase the scale a little bit, and then we can add a bump node right here, and then take it from the height into the height, then normal into the normal. And oh yeah, I forgot. So now go back to slot 1 and also add a bump node right here. Take the normal into the normal, and then take the color into the height, and now take the distance right here into the roughness. So now we'll have more bumpy, but now we might want to lower the strength a little bit, or else it will look kind of ugly. So now go back here. You can also lower the strength for the seaweed, and there we go, perfect. So yeah, that is it for this video of making onigiri. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I kind of have an uploading schedule now. It's 2 times a week. I have not really set a clear day, which day of the week I'm gonna upload, but yeah. And anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.